How is it going, guys? It's Kevin from SubiSpeed. It is the last month of the year. The holiday season is here. Everyone's rushing to get their gifts before the holiday season. If that happens to be you and you're doing some last minute shopping or you don't know what to get, a SubiSpeed gift card is always appreciated by the Subaru enthusiasts. That being said, it's time for another new products video. Now, before we get into things, I do have a giveaway winner to announce. Last month, I said that we will be giving away this OLM carbon fiber steering wheel. So congratulations to Edwin1600. You are the winner of the giveaway. Go ahead and email sales@subispeed.com and we'll give you instructions on how to verify your account so we can get this sent out to you. Now, if you happen to have an STI and you're looking to run the ETS rotated turbo kit, they also have their titanium front mount intercooler piping kit that is made specifically to work with their turbo kit, their rotated turbo kit. So it saves you the trouble of having to go out and get any custom piping made, and you don't have to worry about any fitment issues. Since it is made out of titanium, you are gonna shave a little bit of weight and it's gonna look cool. This month, Perrin has released a bunch of their products in a new super clean white finish. A huge fan of this. I run white wheels on my FRS, so these are definitely something that I would pick up. If you are one of those people that are interested in these, I know they're gonna go quick, so put your orders in before they go out of stock, and there's a long wait time for them. Now, in front of me here, I've got their strut tower brace, pulley cover, and the battery tie down, but they also have plenty of other stuff like their radiator shrouds, fender shrouds, oil cap for the FRS BRZ86, the charge pipe for the WRX, and tow hooks as well. So like I said, if you have white as an accent color, it basically goes well with anything. You're definitely gonna wanna pick some of these up. Also new in this month, we have the Crawford Billet aluminum rear lower control arms for the 2018 and up Crosstrek and the 2019 and up Forester. So if you lowered your car, you're gonna wanna grab these to help dial in that camber adjustment in the rear and get everything back into spec. If you guys are looking to upgrade your OEM intercooler, Cobb just released their top mount intercooler kit. If you're not needing to make the jump to a front mount intercooler kit, this is gonna be a very nice upgrade for you. It's the largest core available for this engine. It's gonna give you an increase of 31% airflow over the stock intercooler. It's available in either a black or silver finish. You are gonna need the Cobb charge pipe kit as well for the installation, so keep that in mind. But like I said, if you just need to upgrade that intercooler and you don't need to make the jump to a front mount intercooler, this is gonna be another great option for you to consider. Also new in this month, we have the OLM Hikari Series LED headlights for the 2015 and up WRX and STI. These are going to be plug and play. I'll run through the functions real quick with you guys. The C light here, as you can see, is going to be your DRL. The top portion of that C light is actually going to act as your sequential turn signal, and then the center portions, you can see the reflectors are going to be your low and high beam. On the side, we have the orange reflector that's going to be your parking light that's necessary for this to be DOT approved. But if you aren't a huge fan of that orange reflector, you can get the smoked overlay that we have available to black everything out and smoke it out and give you that nice blacked out look. We are currently doing a pre-sale on these, but they should be arriving any day now. So if you guys are interested, they're available on our website. We've got another grille option for those of you with a 2018 and up front bumper on the WRX and STI. This is the Subaru JDM S4 Sport Grille. It's finished off in a dark metallic with chrome accents. So if you guys are big JDM fans, this is another nice option for you. Do keep in mind that it does not come with the little cover for the front camera, so if you don't have one of those or you're not running the camera, you're gonna need to swap over that cover to your new grille. On the back of our WRX, we've got two new products. The first one being the OLM A1 style paint matched rear diffuser. You guys may have seen this in a previous video, but it was only available in an unpainted black. So if you guys want to opt for the paint matched version, that is now available. And then on top of the trunk here, we have the Carbon Reproductions RW style trunk lip. If you guys are looking for something that's low profile but a bit more aggressive than the OEM trunk lip, this will be a nice addition for you. If you guys do happen to be doing some holiday shopping, you're not quite sure what to get the car enthusiasts in your life, we just released our holiday gift guide that kind of breaks everything down in different categories and price ranges to help spark some ideas and make things as easy as possible for you during this holiday season. If you want to check that out, the link is down below. There you have it, guys. Those are the new products for this month. If you guys are interested, the links are down below. I know this year has been hard on a lot of us, but we can look forward to all the cool builds next year because you guys have had plenty of time to work on your cars, so that cannot be an excuse. I also want to thank you guys for all the support you guys have shown us. I want to wish you happy holidays. Hopefully you guys are able to spend some quality time with your friends and family through this holiday season. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys next time.